Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi friends, are you waiting for the 31st August FMG exam result? Now, I hope from the bottom of my heart that you aced the exam, but you very well know that the paper was unpredictable, the pattern had totally changed, the questions were crazy. So, we for the December exam on the Unacademy app are starting a batch course on 24th of September. But my thought process has always been to start early. I'm not asking you to take the 4 month subscription, Abhi. All I'm asking you is even if you start with a 1 month subscription, but do not waste your time waiting for the result. We are medicos. Whatever time that we put in studies is always utilized. So I really hope that you pass your paper on 20th. But if something goes wrong, this you will have the mental satisfaction that you utilized this time, and if you pass you will of course be utilizing it in your PG exam. On the Unacademy app, along with the 19 of the best educators and the live classes, you will have access to the crash course and the test series at the same subscription cost. So do not stop bache until you are proud, and I for one can safely assume follow what we are saying and the success will be yours. Bestest of luck. Take care.